Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to view all admins in a WhatsApp community using the desktop app. This feature is part of WhatsApp's latest updates, making community management straightforward and accessible. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once inside, locate the community you want to explore. Communities are a great way to bring multiple groups together under one umbrella for easier communication and collaboration. Next, click on the name of the community to open it. You'll see various options and details related to the community. Look for the community's name at the top of the screen and click it. This action will take you to the contact information page for that community. Once you're in the contact info section, navigate to the members option. Click on it, and you'll be able to see a complete list of all members within that community. The admins will be clearly marked, allowing you to identify them easily. This feature is particularly useful for managing large communities or ensuring transparency about who has administrative privileges. Whether you're a member or an admin yourself, knowing how to access this information can help streamline communication and organization within your WhatsApp community. And that's it. By following these simple steps, opening WhatsApp, selecting your community, accessing contact info, and entering the members section, you can view all admins in any WhatsApp community on your PC. Thank you for tuning in, and happy exploring.